Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by grouping the tracks you want to shape and inserting EQ8 on the group bus. This immediately centralizes control. Next, switch to mid/side when stereo image matters. This lets you treat center and sides differently. With the track soloed, create a bell band and bump the gain while narrowing Q to sweep for harsh frequencies. Once you identify a problem, cut rather than boost. Gentle reductions around 2.6 dB remove buildup without killing the tone. Once the harsh spots are reduced, set a low-cut filter to remove inaudible sub-rumble and free headroom. Keep it subtle so you don't thin the sound. Then use wider bands with low Q to shape warmth or clarity. Boost a little around 100-250 Hz for body, or cut 300-800 Hz to reduce muddiness. Make small moves, then bypass and a /B to verify. If stereo balance feels off, tweak mid/side bands so center elements stay clear without collapse. You finish by rechecking gain staging and adding subtle saturation or a glue compressor after EQ to unify the bus if required. Make sure your processed bus sits at the same apparent loudness as before, otherwise you'll bias your ears. Save a new version and compare against a reference track at similar LUFS to validate tonal balance. If something still sounds wrong, solo each band, flip mid/side processing, and bypass filters one at a time to isolate the culprit. That usually reveals the mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.